Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader. It's Monday, June 7th. These are the charts of the day. Keeping in theme with yesterday's weekend video, which was mostly on the short side. The market headed lower. We're going to update some of the stocks we talked about yesterday and highlight some of the ones that look exceptionally poised for further downside and perhaps trading profits. We'll see. AIXG, which has quadruple topped up in this area, up in the 38 area, came down hard, bounced, made a lower low, bounced to resistance. It's starting to fall away here. Looks like this thing could get down into the high teens at some point, but there is some support around 20. Currently at 23.64, down 124 today. We're going to review the ultra shorts as well. Alphabetically, the BGZ broke out of this little flag it was in, consolidating on low volume. Notice yesterday on Friday the volume picked up. Today it followed through up another 65 cents, or nearly 4% on 10 million shares. Looks like my target is up around the $20 range near the top of the channel and lateral price resistance as well. CEDC, Central European Distributors, dropped $1.43, 5.8% today. Stock is looking quite negative. It's in a sharply declining angle. It's had 1, 2, 3, 4 waves. It looks like the fifth wave is beginning here, which could take it to the high teens. Let's call it 19 for a trading target on it. CNX today broke it appears to be breaking a bear flag on the way down in the declining channel. Target around the 24.5 to 25 zone. Initial target around 29. Certainly this head and shoulders type top of the breakdown and the new down channel appears to be in force, and it looks like it's being pulled lower as the technicals on this run up here in the formation of this bear flag certainly look negative enough for lower prices to be had. EDZ, the Direction Daily Emerging Markets Triple Bear, appears headed for the top of the channel up near the 69.70 zone. My trading target. Right now it's in a shallow angle of ascent, but in a wide channel. As you can see, on-balance volume has moved up steadily through this entire process, even during the pullbacks. And balance of power is turning greener. Certainly looks like that is a reasonable target. Let's say 68.69. FAZ, the financial, up 84 cents or 5% today. 67.6 million shares traded, and the stock followed through Friday's little pop. Most of these ultra short ETFs form these mini down channels or flag patterns, consolidations. We had 1, 2, 3, 4 waves down. We're in a fifth wave up. It could take us up towards the 20.5, 21 zone, my trading target. Global payments, GPN as in Nancy, in a distinct down channel. Looks like it's breaking down below a double bottom from May, down 81 cents today, just a couple percent, but seems like it could be headed down towards the 37, 38 zone short term. Longer term, if that level is broken, we could see 35 and then maybe even 30. GPRE, which is beginning to roll over, has recently formed a little bear flag. Today it broke that bear flag, down 48 cents or 4%, but at this point, the way it looks, we could see a fairly drastic fall that takes it down to test support around the $8 level, my near-term trading target. Goldman Sachs broke an important bear flag today. Here's your flag, down 357. Appears to be headed down towards the high 120s. That's my trading target if it gets below 133. MSTR also coming out of a bear wedge today, dropping $1.45, just 2%, but we could see it cascade down to test the 65 level at the early May low, and maybe even take that out towards 61. And CIT dropped drastically in May, formed a big bear wedge, and maybe coming out of it down 34 cents today, but support around 20 if broken should lead to something around 18.5 rather quickly. PWRD gapped down in mid-May, formed a bear wedge, and then the last couple of days have been heading lower, down $1.17 or nearly 5% today. And this one looks like it could be headed down towards the $19 range. SMN, a new one we've been tracking on the ultra shorts, has a target up around 50, 50 and a half. That's our short-term trading target. That would complete a 5-wave move off the lows. Very solid technicals. STU in a distinct down channel, down another $1.67 today, and today's action distinctly broke out of the apex of this bear wedge, headed down towards 22.5, 23. TZA surging, 5-wave advance would put this up towards the high 9s, maybe even $10. That's our short-term trading target. Secondary target at the 11, 11.5 zone. And lastly today, the VXX, which looks like one of the best ETFs out there right now on the short side. 1, 2, 3, 4 waves. The 5th wave's just starting. Looks like a move up towards 40, 41. My trading target could be had over the next few days, particularly if we get sharp drops in the indices, which appear to be imminent. But we'll see what kind of downside we get, downside follow through we get over the next couple of days. That's it for tonight. Good luck trading tomorrow.